This is Twin Zone A. My name is Twin A Atticus. I'm going to show you how to make an origami bird base. We're going to start off with the color side and fold it diagonally in half. Unfold and do the same on the other side. Then turn over and fold this edge until it lines up with this edge. Then crease and do the same on the other side. Now I'm just gonna we've got this. Gonna bring in the corners in like it's a square. Your paper should look like this. Now we're gonna fold this edge until it lines right in the middle. And the same, fold this edge until it lines in the middle. Then crease. Then do the same on the other side. Then crease. Now you can see we've got this. Fold this edge down like a triangle with the Z's. Unfold that and unfold the other things. And you can see we've got this. And we're just going to fold this edge and just line it with this edge. So we're just going to literally see we've got this crease, fold it all the way up. Then crease on here. And we've got these things here. You can just flatten that. Now you can see we've got this. We're going to do the same on the other side. And this is the bird base. And remember to like this video. Subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.